Welcome to DataPencil.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our 50 days SQL practice challenge. Today it's our day 39 and hats off to all of you who reached to this level. Really, you all are creamy layer because maintaining the consistency to this level is not an easy task. So a big congratulations to all of you from my side. And now only 10 days are left. So please maintain this consistency and I am damn sure that you guys will reach to day 50 as well. Okay, now before we begin, a quick introduction for those who are new to this channel. If you want to join the challenge or you want to join our upcoming batches of SQL AI course, then please make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any update. We regularly post announcements about challenges and our courses in our community section via post. Also, you can follow our official WhatsApp channel, DataPencil. There we share each and every important update, resources, announcements. And yes, there is one good news, as I have declared this in yesterday's video as well, that our YouTube membership program is launched. Very soon you will see a new video on that what features are available inside this membership. You will get access to premium SQL end-to-end project, premium Excel end-to-end projects, Python projects that will be very helpful in building your portfolio, as well as related interview questions also you will see there. There will be guided case studies that will be very helpful in training your brain as an analyst. And certificates are also available. In these brain training sessions, you won't just write queries, you actually, start thinking and behaving like a real analyst by solving business problems and analyzing guided case studies step by step. Guys, we design these projects and sessions especially to help you stand out differently in interviews. It will definitely strengthen your problem solving skills and build a strong, powerful portfolio. So please make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next membership announcement. Alright, now let's quickly start with our day 39. And today our first query will be, as we all know that today we are again going to see trigger questions because solving only 2 queries is not sufficient. So let's solve few more queries based on triggers. Okay. So our first query is about before insert trigger. Means this trigger should get activated before inserting a new value. Okay. Now, here our goal is if somebody is inserting negative salary. Okay. If somebody is inserting negative salary, so we have to prevent that. All right. How can we prevent? So basically it should turn automatically to 0. Okay. Salary should turn automatically to 0. Guys, yesterday's session is about the update. What we did, we created a trigger before update. Okay. And today we are creating a trigger before insert. So there is a difference. Yesterday it's about the update and today it is about insert. Okay. Now you all know how to create trigger as we discussed this yesterday too. So let's write quickly create trigger. And after that, let's give it a name. So before salary insert. Now, when this trigger should get activated, so before insert. Okay, this should activate before insert. On what table? So on clean salaries table. For each row. Correct? Now, let's begin the code. If our new salary is lesser than 0, then set this new salary, new means whatever with the latest entry. So set new salary equals 0. Okay. End if and then end. This is the way to create a trigger. Yesterday what we did, this is our session. Okay. So yesterday we created the insert. It should get activated before update. Okay. And in today's session, it is getting updated before insert. So I hope now you know the difference. Now let's run it. Okay, our trigger is done. It's now activated. So now what we are going to do, we are going to check whether this trigger is activated or not. All right. So let's insert a new value and write insert into clean salaries table. In our clean salaries table, we will take 3 columns. Okay, salary ID, employee ID, and let's check from here. So we'll take salary ID, employee ID, salary, and then the salary date. So insert into clean salaries, salary ID, employee ID, salary, salary date. Values are 501, 901, salary we are giving a negative number, okay, and salary date is 2024 0101. This is it. Now let's run it. Now let's check the value for employee whose ID is 901. Okay. So select all from clean salaries table where employee ID equals 901. So here you can see the salary is not minus 500. It automatically turns to 0. This is our purpose of creating a trigger. Okay. Whenever there is a calculation part will come, so it will be easy for us to deal with such values. So that's why triggers are created. Okay. Now let's see another example. And in this query, we have to create after update trigger. Okay. After update trigger. Yesterday it was after insert trigger. Today we are going to work on after update trigger. And here whenever salary changes, just save old salary, new salary into a log table. Okay. So how to create the trigger? For that, just simply write create trigger. Okay. And let's give the name to this trigger. So it is salary update trigger. And when this should get activated? So after update. On which table? So on clean salaries table. For each row. Now our code is started. So here insert the data into salary logs. Okay. And the columns are employee ID, old salary, new salary. These are the columns of our new log table. Okay. The values are old.employee ID, old.salary, new.salary. Whatever new value will be there. This is it. Now put the colon and end it. Now let's run it. Our trigger is activated. Now let's check it while doing the updation part. Okay, so let's update the salary. So for updation, let's write here update clean salaries table and set the salary as 70,000. Okay, where employee ID equals to, let's select employee ID. So this is our table and let's take the employee whose ID is 463. Okay, its current salary is 55,000. So this employee ID is 463. Let's write here 463. Done. Okay, now let's check it, run it and see whether this entry will go in our new log table or not. Now here, why you are seeing this error? Because we haven't created the salary log. So before creating the trigger, just make sure that you have created the new log table. Okay, so let's create table firstly. Create table and this is, let's write as new log. Okay, salary. And the columns are here employee ID, salary. Okay, so employee ID, salary, old salary, new salary, and give the data type. So here it is integer, here again integer, and here again integer, and here the value is this salary logs. Okay, now run this code. Firstly, let's create the table first of all. The table is now created. Now we can update our value. So let's update it. It's done. Okay. Now let's check whether this new salary get updated in our salary log table or not. So for that, let's write simply select all from salary logs table. So here you can see that we have employee whose ID is this, new salary is this, and new salaries. As we haven't updated the date, we haven't mentioned here date, okay? That's why you are seeing that new salary is updated everywhere in each row, 463 each row. There are specific dates as well, correct? Okay, so these are your today's two queries where what you have to do, you have to create a trigger before insert and create a trigger after update. Alright, so just complete these two queries and submit your work via submission forms, and from day 41 onwards we are going to create a project. Okay, this will brush up all your knowledge, this will be your revision, this will be your portfolio project, and this will be a powerhouse for your learning journey, for your practice journey. Alright guys, so see you tomorrow, and till then please take care and keep practicing. Bye bye.